This exercise is all about releasing old, inviting new, finding your turning point, your crack point, turning negative into positive. Are you ready? We start directly in standing, and it's like you're packing a package. Pack everything inside of it. It's right in front of you. Imagine it. And maybe there's something in your thoughts, in your brain, so get it out of your brain. If there's something stuck, then just grab it, put it in your package. If there's something behind your back, maybe in your feet, wherever in your field, just get aware of it. If it's a feeling, a thought, and pack everything inside. Everything, everything, everything. Beautiful. Everything what you don't need anymore. Just get rid of it. Think about it, imagine it, and pack it inside. What is not serving you? Everything inside? Okay. Then bring it in front of you. Your package is really heavy, so just put it in front of you on the ground. And imagine it. One more time. What did you pack inside? It's time to really release it. And then come up again. I demonstrated you once, because maybe for your lower back or for your knees you have to protect yourself always first. So just have a look if it fits you. Inhale, and with a loud ha, this ha is coming out of your belly, you destroy the package. Ha! If it's too quick, you just make it in slow motion. Your knees are gently bent, and the ha sound is coming out of your belly. It's a loud one, really from the depths within. So inhale, lengthen yourself. Imagine like a light sword, like anything what helps you to destroy this package 3 times. Ha! Inhale up. Ha! Inhale up. Ha! Is it really destroyed? If not, make it a few more times. Destroy it really. Beautiful. Inhale, open your hands to the sky. Now there's time. The old is released, destroyed. Invite the new. Feel it. And bring the hands to your heart. Integrate the new, what you want to attract. And now it's time to feel after and to dive deeper in your thoughts. You can stay, you can sit, or feel free to lie down. Whatever your body is telling you right now, go for it. And to really turn something negative into something positive. How can you do it? So the first step is to get aware. If you are aware of something negative, then you can open the space for transformation and change it into something positive. Super easy. You just have to get aware of it. So, observe your brain. If there's something popping up, which thoughts are you having? Which charming patterns are coming again and again, but they are not nourishing you really? Get aware of them. For example, that you feel or you think you are fat. Most of the time you will say, oh, I'm fat, I don't look good, I'm ugly, this and that, I don't like about me. So, change it. And the turning point is to switch negative into positive. To say, I feel good. I allow myself to be thin and really feel it inside. I am thin. I am normal. Whatever is supporting you and what feels good, what is the positive thing. Invite like a new mantra, like new words. I am ready to get thin. I accept myself how I am. I am skinny. I feel good in my body and feel it as well. So the first exercise, get aware of the negative, change it immediately into something positive. And take time for you, 1 minute, to really dive into the thoughts who are popping up. Get aware of the negative ones. Just the negatives right now. Yes. 1 minute. Beautiful. So, there's another opportunity. The first one was to just switch it immediately from the negative into something positive. The second step is super easy. And it's like if there's something popping up like, I can't do this, I don't feel strong enough, I feel weak, like it's impossible, I can't, how? And then just start laughing. It's super easy, and it's like, just start laughing about yourself. What can happen? And then you imagine it's really not. You can do it. You're worth it. And it's just in your head, in your mind. And if there is something happening, you always find a way to get out of it. So invite in yourself, in your thoughts, the same good, positive feeling. Just laugh about yourself. Don't be so serious. Enjoy. 1 minute exercise to laugh about it when something negative pops up. Beautiful. So the first one was turning negative into positive. The second one, just laugh about yourself. And the third one, because there are always three options, be smart on your own. Ask yourself, how can I turn it into positive? How can I transform it? What is my way? Listen to yourself. Beautiful. Even if then nothing came up, one day there will. And if you already found a new way, wow, congratulations. So you already have 3 opportunities now to be happy every day, to invite more bliss and joy and positivity. Take a deep inhale, charge yourself with a smile, let it get brighter and brighter. Exhale, and when you feel ready, open your eyes again. Have the best day ever. Namaste.